All right, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. You got to love these people from Chicago, these politicians. You know, they're rich, they have money, they have private security, they have people with guns protecting them. Remember, the biggest hypocrites ever, right? They have people with pretty cool firearms, with really cool training protecting them. But you, the basic citizen, you out of luck. You know, nothing we could do for you, right? So, in fact, listen to the excuse that this girl is talking about right now. Listen to this because this is definitely pretty interesting, really pretty interesting. You know, she's being asked a question about, what do how are we going to deal with this crime that is going on? And this is the answer that she has.
I've heard a lot of rhetoric here, a lot of sound bites, but not a lot of concrete solutions on how we get the job done and make our residents and our workers safe. We're doing it every single day.
She's doing that every single day. Every single day, they're working hard to make sure that their residents of Chicago are okay. But that's crazy because, every single weekend we see mass destruction and mass killings and mass crazy stuff coming out of Chicago. But they are working every single day to make sure they're safe. So to me, that's telling me that, yeah, they're doing a pretty crappy job. Really crappy job.
I think the follow-up is, and your solution is?
I just explained it. We have been in Little Village working with those street vendors, understanding what the nature of the crime is, making sure that we're doing things in concert with them to help them make sure that their money is secure, not use money, if at all possible, using other forms of transactions to take care of themselves. I've heard a lot of rhetoric here.
So their solution is not to use money. Their solution is to use like other kind of transactions, like credit cards and things like that. Their solution is not to do anything other than, it's on them. It's on them. They don't have to use cash. They could just use credit cards, instead of being a person that is responsible for the city and say, my solution is to make sure that law-abiding citizens have a firearms to protect themselves. My solution is to make sure that the citizens know that we as a city are going to cover up for them, are going to protect them and do everything in our power to make sure they are safe. My solution is to create special groups in the police department that are going to target these people that are committing horrific crimes. I'm going to put them in jail. My solution is to let them know in the city that if you're going to commit a crime, you will go to jail and there's no way you're going to come out, right? No way. You want to be nasty. You want to be a criminal. You want to harass good law-abiding citizen. You going to jail. My solution is to task the police to make sure that they are on the street doing their job to the best of their ability. No. Absolutely not. Their solution is actually quite simple. Use a credit card. Use a credit card so you don't lose your money, right? So again, these people are coming with guns. These criminals coming for gun, and you think it's about money? Some of these people are being murdered. Some of these people are being killed. Some of these people's life are gone, and that's your solution. It's unbelievable. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more. And as always, God is in control.